What's up, nerds? Today I'm going to show you how to properly delete images in Midjourney so that they no longer show up in your showcase and that they also are removed from the general population. So if you're over here and you don't have your images coming to you in your own private channel, I'd suggest you do that. I'll link the video to how to do that in the cards. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to delete images. There's a couple of different ways, and if you do it wrong, it won't delete them from your showcase. So if you'll see, I have these images, and these images all sitting here. I freshly just created these. If I want to delete them properly, what I would do is when you're on the images that you want to delete, you come over here and when you hover over it, you'll see that there's these little icons here. There's add reaction, reply, create thread, and there's the more button. You're going to click the three dots, the ellipsis, and you're going to go to add reaction. And if you don't have the X up here, you're going to want to go to view more and type in the X, and then you'll see it there. And when you click the X, it will delete the image, and this is the proper way to do it. So not only will it delete the image here, I'm going to go ahead and delete it. See, it's gone now. But when I go back over to my showcase, these are going to disappear. Let me go ahead and refresh and see they're gone. Now, what happened to me before, and I was kind of upset because I didn't know how I did it wrong, was I hit the three dots and I went out here and I said delete message, because you can do that and it will delete it off your board. Let me show you what happens. So let's say I want to delete this one and I accidentally did delete message instead. It's going to prompt me. It says, do you want to do this? You say delete. Okay, so now it's off here, but what happens is it's still here in my showcase. Let me hit refresh and see, it's still out there. So if I did some images and I really didn't want anybody seeing them, it would be still here in my showcase. Well, there's a way to do that, and basically you have to recall those images. So let me show you how to do that. You click on one of the images. You're going to go over here to the ellipsis, the three dots, and you're going to click it, and you're going to do copy job ID. Okay, go back over to your Discord server, and down in the prompt field you're going to do /show. Hit enter and then paste the job ID and hit enter again. And what it's going to do is it's now going to bring up that job. Okay, so see, there it is right there. Now I'm going to go back over here. If I let me X that out so you can see that it's still here. I'm going to refresh again. Okay, so see, it's still there now. But now if I go back up here, and now that I've used the X before, it's going to be up there, and it's just click it. It's going to delete it permanently, and it's going to delete it permanently from here. So I'm going to hit refresh. Bam, and it's gone. So that's how you actually delete your images properly, and how you find and delete them if you've accidentally deleted it using the wrong way. Hope this helps, and I'll be back with another video soon.